Now, I'm not getting paid to promote Awesome, but this is a product that we have used for many years. You can find this at the dollar store. I even saw it, I think, maybe at Kroger's. But this cleans absolutely all kinds of things. First of all, my husband is doing some pressure washing around the house, and he wanted to use Awesome. He went and purchased a tube to put on the pressure washer, and he was going to take a bucket and put it in there. Instead, he drilled a hole in top of the Awesome jug and zip tied it to the pressure washer. I thought that was kind of genius, and thought some of you guys and gals who like to pressure wash might find that useful. This Awesome does not contain bleach. I use this to take stains out of clothing. I use this to take the paint out of my paint brushes. We even use this to clean our grill. Yeah, it's looking pretty rough there. I don't think we cleaned it in the fall, so this took me quite a while. But the Awesome made it so much easier. This even cleans brick. Now, this doesn't have a strong chemical smell. It's very inexpensive and it's bleach free, so I really do recommend this product when you have something that's really, really tough to clean.